What do white asparagus and vampires have in common? Keep watching and I'll tell you. Asparagus is one of my favorite springtime vegetables, so I decided to combine the two, green with white. And you're waiting for that answer. Why is this white? Well, how these are grown, these never see the light of day. So if you remember your science class about photosynthesis, it can never turn green. That's why they're white. So today I'm making a sauteed asparagus, white and green, with mushrooms and red onions. So when you're buying your asparagus, you want to make sure it's pretty firm and has a nice snap. So what's the taste between the two of these? Well, the green one I would say is a little more grassy, and this is a little sweeter, but this end's a little harder, whatever that means. So I'm gonna cut the ends off because this part is very hard and woody. We're gonna do something a little bit different with the white because these ends are very, very tough. So I'm gonna use my peeler and just shave off the ends. Get that woodiness off. I also like to do this when I'm making broccoli and using up the broccoli ends. Just keeps it softer and more digestible. So now I'm just chopping these into little bite-sized pieces. So now we're gonna chop up a little thyme. We'll chop up some onions. So I'm gonna put this on a medium-high heat and get my olive oil in there. And I've got the diced red onion, which are really strong. We're gonna put that in there. And I'm just gonna let those cook up for a little bit. About a minute or so. So now add in the beautiful asparagus. And I'm gonna let that cook for about 4 minutes. What would this be good to serve with? Fish, grilled chicken. For my vegetarian friends, quinoa will work really well with this. Mushroom time. And no pun intended, add the thyme in too. Your salt and pepper. Get it all stirred up. Shooting for Instagram. Now if you wanted to, you could add a little pancetta or a little bacon in here. But I'm trying to be healthy. It's still good. So I just turned the heat down a little bit and I'm gonna cover this because I wanna make sure that they're soft enough to eat but still have a little crispy crisp to it. I think it's ready. Ooh, I work so hard. No, I really didn't work so hard. This is a really easy dish to do, and like I said, it's perfect for side dish with fish or chicken or quinoa or rice. And you could add that bacon in there if you want to. So if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos or know more recipes and this recipe, go to anappetizinglife.com. I'm gonna eat this now. Bye guys. When they sing, I'm ready, I'm ready. Ready?
Yeah, just do it again. That was all.
Asparagus is one of my favorite springtime recipes, blah, blah, blah. And mushrooms with, I forgot. Sorry.